All right, what's up, fellow jazz fans? I know some of you might not actually be jazz fans, but yeah, that's what this channel is all about, all things Utah. But for those of you who are new to the channel, I'm Mitchell Reese, your Salt Lake Realtor. Today we're in Park City, and I want this channel to be a resource of value for you guys, especially if you're out of state. You're gonna know all about what it's like to live here and all of the options available, especially with new construction. And today we're in Park City showing a home that it's actually not the model home, but it is staged and it is for sale right now if you wanted to get it. Park City is really, like, especially this community, this is an amazing spot because obviously the skiing, the snowboarding, all things like that, one of the best spots, probably the best spot in the entire world for skiing and snowboarding. Utah is called the place with the greatest snow on earth for a reason. All that dry powder, it's amazing. And then if you can see in the background, see the lake back there, Jordanelle Reservoir, perfect for not just the winter time, but summertime. The water sports in Park City is also, second to none. So an amazing spot in the world, amazing spot in Utah, amazing spot for a nightly rental. About 70% of these communities are usually secondary homes or nightly rentals. So this is one of those great spots for you if you're looking for one of those, or if you just want to live here. It's also a great spot too if you're okay with a little bit of travel with your schools. But here we're gonna show this amazing home for sale built by Hamlet Homes here in Park City. Let's go ahead and get started. All right, guys, here we go. That is my number on screen. Don't hesitate to reach out. I'm helping people from Florida, New Hampshire, California, all over the country. People are reaching out to me, and every week we're making sure they get into the right place here in Utah. So I would love to get in contact with you. So don't hesitate to reach out. And we're getting started today with a Hamlet Homes home, and this is in the Sage Hen community in Park City. So this is a move-in ready previous model home, 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, 2,949 square feet. This is the lowest priced home in this community right now at $1,969,990. Kind of a fun one to word out there. And then this community is soon going to have access to a shuttle, which they were really not liking before, how they did not have a shuttle to the ski resorts. So if you have this place as a rental, your tenants will be able to have access to a shuttle to take to the ski resorts, and that will help you get way more bookings in a place like this. But if you just want it as a home for yourself or a second home, perfect. You've got shuttle access, you've got a nice place overlooking Jordanelle Reservoir, close to your favorite ski resorts and everything like that. So this is a really amazing spot, especially preparing for the 2034 Winter Olympics. Most of the events will be here in Park City. So this will be a place you will not want to miss out on to prepare for that, have as a great investment. So I hope you enjoy the rest of the video, and we'll catch you as always at the end of the tour. All right, guys, I really hope you enjoyed that one. I always love going through these brand new homes, especially when they're all decorated like this and have an amazing setup just for, that eye candy for you guys. And so it just looks really nice going through. So I always enjoy doing it. Thank you so much for watching. I really want this channel to be a source of value for you guys. When you're looking for your next home here in Utah, I want you to think of this channel to know to look here for all the really nice homes that have amazing location and proximity to really the outdoor adventure that Utah has to offer. This is one of the greatest spots for it. You have amazing, unlimited amount of hikes around the home itself because Park City is in the middle of the mountains. And then of course, all the snow and ski resorts that are around these homes and Jordanelle Reservoir right there in the view. And so you can just do things here all year round. It doesn't just have to be a winter destination here in Park City. I hope you really enjoy what you saw here today. So come back to the channel to see more homes in the adventure that is Utah, to really live in the proximity of the amazing outdoor activities that Utah has to offer. So thank you so much for watching. I'm gonna go ahead and enjoy my New Year's Eve. I hope you guys do too. We'll see you in the next video.